English verbs, the present simple. Present simple positive statements use the bare infinitive. Questions use does in the third person singular or else do, then the subject and the bare infinitive. Negative statements use doesn't in the third person singular or else don't, and the bare infinitive. In the third person singular, add an S. If the verb ends in S, SH, CH, Z or a vowel, add ES. If the verb ends in a consonant and Y, change the Y into an I before you add ES. We use the present simple when something happens regularly or repeatedly. We use it for present states and long-term situations. For things on rosters or timetables, use it for the next one.